What's up, guys? It's your boy Zach,
Dylan.
and we're here at Peachtree Golf Course for an air horn video. We're gonna be blowing the air horn and catching some funny reactions with some golfers. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully, we won't get kicked out. So, Miss Mitchell, if you're watching and we get kicked out, I'll give the manager your name. So, and your number. So, we'll see what happens. So we're here in the wild, and I'm a little country boy, and over here to my left we have some young PGA golfers, and they're about to get blasted. Graceful.
You want to see you?
He hasn't spotted me. I'm wearing camouflage. He's doing a Fortnite dance. What is that?
I thought you meant camouflage.
I am wearing camouflage. You cannot see me.
I do see you.
This man right here does not know how to putt.
Yo, freak, son.
You're Oh, is that how it's gonna be?
Alright, let me just finish this round.
These guys are cool. Yeah, they're my sons. Oh, a little aggressive there. Phil Mickelson.
I ain't no Phil Mickelson. I'm TW, son.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
So I've just been informed by my fellow filmer here, my partner in crime, as this man's doing some nice stretching. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Work them legs, boy. Ooh, air horn, air horn, air horn. Here. So, as you can see now, we just cut our first body. Body count is at 1 right now.
I bet you at Facebook.
Also, to let you guys know, add me on Snapchat, ZachG2001. You know what it is.
Yo, it ain't no 2001. It's 2018. Where are you from?
I'm from the country. I'm from Alabama. This is my little partner right here.
I ain't your partner. I beat you in a contest. Give me $5 up front, son.
Oof, okay. Oof. You want $5?
Yeah.
Nope.
That was
I ain't no broke boy. So,
Oh, you ain't got no dollars. You just pulling out them fake dollars. That's Abraham Lincoln with the turtleneck sweatshirt, son. See you later. Call me. Video's over, dude. You're supposed to...
no comment at this point. I've slightly just been roasted for having quote-unquote fake money. I don't know how I feel about this. Miss
All right,
Venturi,
sarcastic boy, end the video.
Miss Venturi, I'm being roasted and I need your help. I'm gonna need child services. Thanks.
time for bird now.
So right now, Dylan doesn't know, but I'm about to hit him with the air horn. I see he's about to take his stroke. So we'll see how. All right, so right now I'm in the woods Nice little creek, you know. Gotta eat, you know. So your boy's about to get Dylan again. He thinks he's a pro, but this man's trash. Definition of trash. Shaky video camera. Still can't hear. What the heck? I can't hear after this. Dylan, you suck. Boy, Dylan out here in the sun, you know, putting in work. We're about to get some fools out here. Catching bodies. I don't know, my body count's like at what? 3? I got Dylan twice, so that's a dub. I don't think I've been spotted yet, but my ears are ringing. I hate this. I am in a freaking supposed to be sand pit, but you know. It really do be like that sometimes. Can't wait to get kicked off, like for real. So whenever you use the ear horn, you really can't hear. I'm probably gonna be deaf by the time this video's over with. So it's freaking great.
Let's get it.
I just jumped a fence. I'm about to go get these fools. And I just got into another golf course. Your boy can't be spotted. He's in camouflage. So, about to go catch the domes. Send my apologies to everyone watching this video for the terrible quality. I take that upon myself, and yeah, it's been some pretty shitty
Watch your profanity.
so we were just told we had to leave, and we couldn't film part of it because the guy just came up into our face and was just like, yeah, you can't be blowing air horns. You're banned here. So I don't think we'll be coming back here in a long time.
That's what the guy thinks.
But ooh, yeah.
We'll be back.
We'll be back for part 2. You guys request it. Give us some thumbs up even though you're in class. Yeah, it's pretty lit. Peace. This is Zach signing off on an amazing video. Miss Ventry, this is for you. Oh!